Welcome back to the channel where we turn life lessons into wealth wisdom. Today, we're diving into something everyone is feeling, the pressure of rising expenses. But don't worry, I'm sharing how I reduced my monthly costs by 40% in just 3 months, and how you can too. No fluff, just real strategies backed by global data and real-life success stories. Let's start with the facts. As of 2024, global inflation averaged 6.8% according to the International Monetary Fund, IMF. In countries like the US, UK, and much of Europe, people are now paying 25 to 40% more for food, gas, housing, and healthcare compared to just 3 years ago. But even with rising wages in some sectors, most people feel like they're falling behind. So if you're constantly wondering where your money went, you're not alone. A few months ago, I noticed something. I was working harder but saving less. So I did a 30-day audit of my spending, and it was eye-opening. Dining out, $350 a month. Subscriptions, $95 a month. Impulse online shopping, $210 a month. Coffee, $90 a month. That's over $700 a month. I didn't even realize I was spending and it wasn't making me any happier. Let me share the 5 strategies that help me take back control. These are globally proven and I've tested them personally. 1. Track every dollar, euro/pound. The Harvard Business Review found that people who track their expenses reduce impulsive spending by up to 23%. Use apps like YNAB, Pocket Guard, or even Google Sheets. A friend of mine in Canada started tracking her spending and discovered she was paying for 2 gym memberships by mistake. One she hadn't used in 6 months. 2. Kill the silent budget killers, subscriptions. A 2023 study by C+R Research in the US found that the average person underestimates their subscription spending by 200%. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Spotify, Disney Plus, and Apple One. These add up fast. Cancel or pause what you're not using. 3. Master the art of meal planning. The USDA estimates that eating out just 4 times a week costs an average of $3,000 more per year than home cooking. That's a vacation right there. I now cook 80% of my meals at home, and not only do I save money, I eat better. 4. Utility and energy cuts. In the EU, energy prices have increased by over 30% in the past year. Simple actions like switching off unused appliances, using LED bulbs, and insulating windows can cut energy costs by up to 25%. A couple in Germany saved €500 annually just by replacing their old washing machine with an energy-efficient model. 5. Delay major purchases, 30-day rule. Impulse buys are deadly. Try this. When you want to buy something non-essential, wait 30 days. If you still want it, go for it. If not, that's money saved. This alone helped me avoid over $1,000 in unnecessary tech upgrades. Here's what I've learned. Reducing expenses isn't about suffering. It's about choosing long-term freedom over short-term thrills. My friend Laura from London downsized her apartment, canceled 2 unused credit cards, and started biking to work. In 6 months, she paid off £3,500 in credit card debt and finally booked her dream trip to Thailand. And me? I used my extra savings to invest, build my emergency fund, and take a guilt-free vacation, all without increasing my income. Now it's your turn. Step 1. Track everything for the next 7 days. Step 2. Cut one expense you no longer need. Step 3. Use that extra money intentionally. Save it, invest it, or pay off debt. And remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their finances. Let's grow wiser, not just wealthier.